The jungle was having a perfectly normal day until the sneezing started. Leaves shook, birds fluttered away in confusion, and the ground trembled just a little. In the middle of it all stood Ollie, the young elephant, blinking in surprise as a massive tree in front of him let out a loud, echoing "Achoo!" Ollie froze. Trees were not supposed to sneeze. He slowly lifted his trunk, ears twitching, and watched as the tree's branches wobbled again. Dust puffed into the air, and nearby flowers bent backward as if blown by an invisible breeze. Ollie stepped back, eyes wide, wondering if the jungle had finally gone a little silly. The sneezing continued. Every time it happened, fruit fell from the branches like rain. Mangoes bounced, coconuts rolled, and bananas scattered across the forest floor. The monkeys cheered as they grabbed snacks, while the birds complained loudly about interrupted flights. Ollie, however, felt a little worried. The tree looked tired, its leaves drooped, and its trunk leaned slightly to one side. Ollie walked closer, carefully placing each big foot down. He noticed something strange. Fine yellow pollen floated around the tree like tiny glowing dots. With every gust of wind, more pollen puffed into the air, making the tree shake and sneeze again. Ollie wrinkled his nose and suddenly understood what was happening. The tree wasn't magical or grumpy, it was itchy. Determined to help, Ollie began fanning the air gently with his ears. The pollen swirled, but instead of disappearing, it flew everywhere. The result was instant chaos. Monkeys tumbled out of trees, birds zigzagged through the sky, and Ollie himself let out a massive sneeze that echoed across the jungle. The sneezing tree answered right back, even louder than before. The jungle looked like a giant mess of falling fruit and swirling dust. Ollie paused, took a deep breath, and thought carefully. Rushing wasn't helping. Strength alone wasn't enough. He needed a smarter way. Ollie slowly filled his trunk with water from the nearby river and sprayed a gentle mist around the tree. The pollen settled, sticking to the damp leaves and ground. The jungle grew quiet. No shaking, no sneezing. The tree stood tall again, its leaves fresh and calm. Ollie stepped back, watching carefully. Seconds passed. Nothing happened. Then the tree's branches swayed peacefully, and a single leaf drifted down, landing softly near Ollie's feet. The animals returned, peeking out from behind bushes and trees. The monkeys gathered the last of the fallen fruit. Birds flew back to their branches. The jungle felt balanced again. Ollie smiled, feeling proud but also relieved. Helping wasn't always about doing big things fast. Sometimes it was about slowing down and thinking things through. As the sun began to set, Ollie walked away from the quiet tree, his footsteps soft against the ground. Behind him, the jungle hummed gently, peaceful once more, and the sneezing tree stood silently, grateful in its own quiet way, no longer causing chaos, just providing shade, fruit, and a good story for the jungle to remember.